Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I'm not 100% sure what's in this, but we're all going to figure it out together as usual. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there's of course a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. And please be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's get into this box. Depending on what it is, I may have links for this in the description, but I won't know that until I'm into it. But always keep some... Ooh, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. What do we got? Now, wait a second. I recognize the shape of that package. Hang on, let me see what else is in here. Is there anything else in here? What the heck? Okay, alright. Interesting. So, on the side, this says, this is Asher Knife Co. So, let's find out what's in it. Another one of these. So I have one of these that was just sent. Boy, that one's nice and smooth. Is this the same model? It's not the same model. The one that I have is... Hang on, I'm going to get it right back out here. This is different. It is definitely different than the one. So there's this one, and then I have this one. So there's different blade shapes. Okay, that's interesting. This takes a very similar form to... the bug out. Shockingly similar, except that it is a little bit more robust, a little heavier weight. This is S35VN. I don't know a lot about Asher Knife Co. And truthfully, before I review these, I'm going to have to learn a lot. I'm going to have to kind of research them, figure out what they're all about, etc. But yeah, it's interesting. It certainly is well made, right? But I need to know a little bit more about Asher Knife Co. Now this is it. Oh, oh boy. Oh, I know the gentleman who said this is the big, God. This is the big Kalashnikov, but I think that the one in here is even bigger. Oh man, that's cool. Okay, all right. Let's check out this one. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is crazy. This is huge. I mean, but this is still something I could carry, right? This is the XXL Kalashnikov. Yes, there will be links for this guy. And this guy, if I can find it down in the down at the description here. Here we go. Ready? Oh, man. Okay, I honestly expected it to be a little bit more sluggish than that. It really does fire decently hard. I thought, okay, it's not going to fire as hard as a... And truthfully, no, it does not fire as hard as a ProTech or some of the Benchmade autos that I've handled. But it does fire reliably, and it feels good. God, that is... So this is far and away the largest side-opening automatic that I've ever handled. Here's what I like about this. It's aluminum, and they use D2. And I think the price on these guys is pretty... it's pretty good. I want to say it's between 60 and 70 bucks. And... yeah, this is pretty cool. I mean, if anything, I would just pick this up for cool factor. It's just insane. But yeah, I mean, it's a Kalashnikov that is just gigantic. I really like that blade, that clip point blade. Oh man, that's cool. There you got the pivot, right? The bacon clip, as I always call it. Yeah, it feels solid. Yeah, a little teeny tiny bit of movement in there, but I expect that a little bit from Kalashnikovs. Here, let's try this one. Much more recoil. This has a little bit too, but I'm sure just tighten down the pivot, right? Way more recoil on this guy than on this guy. And honestly, I don't know if it's just the mass of the blade. Let me do them both at the same time. This guy definitely has a lot more throw to it. And I don't know if that's because they actually have a bigger spring in there or if it's just... because there's so much blade coming out. But yeah, that is quite the striking. If you're into that, you know, obviously, you know, knives are tools on this channel. If you didn't know, for me, knives are tools, all of them. But I do love, you know, showing somebody who's new to knives or just not generally in it. Like I like showing them knives that have a certain amount of wow factor. It's just stuff that you don't normally see. I think no matter who you are, you know, if you have a buddy who just thinks knives are cool, right, and not necessarily into the whole knife enthusiast thing, 99% of the time, you know, you hand this to one of those people, you let them fire it, and they're going to go, wow. Sometimes that's just fun, right? I think at the price point, Kalashnikovs make great gifts. They're also some of the best entry-level side-opening automatic knives out there. I've had one shown on this channel that a guy had and has had for 13 years. You can go back and check out my review of a Boker Kalashnikov that a guy's been using for 13 years, and it's still going, still fires. So yeah, my impression of the Kalashnikov is very, very positive. Absolutely. So anyways, yeah, you can check these down in the description. I'll add a link for this guy too if I can find it, but we're going to hold off until I learn a little bit more about this company. These guys you can expect to see in the near future for sure. But anyways, thank you so much to the gentleman who sent this to me. I really appreciate that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.